If you're typing cd desktop or cd download in the Kali Linux and you keep getting cd no such file or directory, the answer is that Linux is case sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letter actually matter. To Linux, desktop and the same desktop are two completely different folder name because the D is uppercase and the other one is the lowercase. So the same goes for the download and the download. One exists and the other doesn't. Instead of guessing the folder name, here's what I do. Run the ls command. This command shows every file and folder inside your current directory. Now look very closely at your output. In my case, I can clearly see that desktop with a D, capital D, and the download with a capital D. That's the exact name Linux is expecting. So now let's try it again. This time I'll type the cd desktop with a capital, and here we go, no error. If I go back and type the cd download, it shows the error because we are missing the S on the download. So we have to type it the exact name, and the only thing I changed was the capitalization. That's it. So whenever you see this error, first run ls command and check the folder names exactly as they appear. Then type the name with the same spelling and the same uppercase and lowercase letter. It will save you a lot of time, especially if you're just getting started with the Linux. Hopefully this cleared up why this error happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.